The UltraMax water dispenser is made without BPA and can hold 27 cups of water, enough to fill 9 24-ounce reusable water bottles. Packaging may vary. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year. This space-efficient filtered water dispenser is fridge-friendly, features an easy locking lid and precision pour spigot, height 10.47, width 5.67, length, depth 14.37, weight 3 pounds. Brita is the #1 water filter reducing chlorine, taste and odor, mercury, copper, and more. Get cleaner, filtered water with a helpful sticker indicator that makes filter reminders effortless. Compatible with Elite and Standard filters. Replace your Elite filter after 120 gallons or approximately every 6 months, or Standard filter after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. Drink cleaner, great tasting tap water with this Brita 27-cup UltraMax water dispenser. The 9-cup reservoir and the 18-cup body add up to an extra-large capacity that makes this water filtration system perfect for busy families, sports teams and offices, while the space-efficient design allows for convenient storage. Made without BPA, and includes one Brita standard filter. The standard filter reduces chlorine, taste, odor, mercury, copper, and more to deliver great tasting water. Designed to leave no black flecks in your water and with no pre-soak required, the Brita filters are quick and easy to use. Change your Brita standard filters every 40 gallons or approximately 2 months, based on average family usage of 11 glasses per day, for best performance. Plus, just a glance at the filter indicator lets you know when it is time to change the Brita water filter. The fridge-friendly size is perfect for busy families, sports teams and offices. Enjoy great tasting water without the single-use plastic bottle waste. Package may vary versus tap water. See certifications. Top reviews from the United States. Great filter, but if your refrigerator is counter depth you will need to replace the spout. I purchased this for our old refrigerator, which is deeper than our new counter-depth refrigerator. Luckily I had read a review that suggested changing the plastic spout for this stainless steel one. Here's the link for the one pictured. We have a counter-depth Fisher-Paykel fridge and this filter fits perfectly with the stainless steel spout. It kinda fits with the one it comes with, but because of the design of the original spout it prevents the door from closing properly, so you have to pull it forward and push it back every time you use it, or just have it half waterfall from the shelf. It's quite narrow, so it doesn't take up too much space, and because of its size we don't need to fill it every time 2 people have a glass of water, which is nice.